Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called AI Detector Pro. So as you can see from the name, AI Detector Pro will help you detect AI content. So it will detect and wipe the traces of AI instantly. That is where it will be useful for you. So that means whatever content you have generated with various tools like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, or Gemini, you can put that into AI Detector Pro, and you can remove the traces of AI in that, and you can convert it into human content. So you can try this for free in this portal, AIDetector.pro. So I have put the link to this website in the description box. You can use that to sign up. So I'll show you what does it do. So you can identify precise details on what parts of the documents triggers that AI detectors. You can manually or automatically rewrite or humanize the document. And you can evaluate the tonal analysis to see your document sounds like AI or not. So there are various functionalities which is been provided by this website. If you come to the pricing of this, it is free for 3 AI scans per month. So that will include 0 humanizations per month. So it will include tonal analysis, phraseology, and all those things. They have other plans also, which is paid plans, and they have an unlimited plan where you will get unlimited AI scan, which is recommended because then you don't have to worry about the number of scans. So I will show you how it works and the effectiveness of it by using 3 different tools, that is ChatGPT, Cloud AI, Gemini. So I will give a prompt in all these tools. So I'll write a simple prompt. Write a 500 word article on Indian democracy and elections. So this is the prompt that I am giving. So I'm giving this prompt here in ChatGPT, and I'll use the latest model. So now let me use the same thing in Cloud AI. Now let me give the same thing here in Gemini. So now you see it is generating the content. First it's ChatGPT. So it's almost done. Now let me copy this. Let me copy this and put this in AIDP Pro. So how you do this is you can come to this tool. It is very simple interface. You have reports here, you have projects here. You can create a project if you want to. So this is the default project. So you come to reports, and in the report you just copy paste the text. So you can mention it is in English, the language. So I'm mentioning it as English and say analyze. So it contains a large number of new lines. These may have been produced by copying from a PDF or other. So new lines that doesn't new program can cause issues with the detection accuracy. Do you want to continue is what it's asking. So let me try to copy once again into Notepad these things. So let me remove the spaces in between. So let me paste that in the Notepad. Yeah. So let me paste that in a Notepad. Then let me try to remove any new lines and spaces in between there. Okay, the structure of democracy, all those things are mentioned here. So let me copy this and go to here and paste it here. Now let's analyze. So it is running. So it has mentioned it is 98% chance of AI content, which is actually AI content. So Indian democracy. So it mentions this AI. This is exhibiting clear signs of being written by AI. So line by line, it is mentioning where all you have used AI. Now, if I want to erase the trace of AI, I can open with AI eraser, and I can mention, like for example, if I want to remove the AI part from this and I want suggest paragraph humanization here. If I click on it, it will convert that part into a paragraph which is written by humans, and I can use that to replace it, or if I want to manually replace it, I can do that too from here. It is humanizing that document from there, that part that I have selected. So let me choose this. The moment I choose this, you see that part has gone away. It has converted into that humanized version of that paragraph. You can do this manually. So if you see here, it is saying it is deleted AI. So red means the words marked in red are the most likely words that AI would use in the given context and very indicative of AI. You should avoid them. So click these words and you will see the other like high likelihood of words to avoid. Orange words marked in orange are likely but less than red, and yellow marked words in yellow are possibly used by AI. So blue, highlighted and bold. Words highlighted in blue and are actually GPT overused words. These are words that GPT uses significantly more than humans do. So it has highlighted all those things here. Now if you see here, you can see tone analysis. So what is this plot? So this plot shows you how your writing sounds to another human being. When they read the words to themselves in their head, we call this tone of your writing. Your writing can have a tone that is more like AI or less like AI. So this differs from how a computer detects the writing as an AI. For example, writing can have a tone that sounds human but be detected by computer as AI. Writing can also have a tone that sounds like AI but be detected by a computer as a human. So how do you read this plot? So if the orange almost full encircles the blue, then your document sounds less like AI. If the orange almost fully encircles the blue, then your document sounds less like AI. It's a good idea to edit your document until you get the this point, until the content sounds like how you speak. If there is a blue, there is a lot of blue outside the orange, like you see here, blue outside the orange, your document sounds like AI. So considering editing it until the orange mostly encircles the blue. So if the orange and blue shapes look similar, your document sounds somewhat like AI. So consider editing it until the orange mostly encircles the blue. So now if I want to change this entire thing into AI, to humanize the document, I can just say humanize this document. So this is pretty large document, so I have to do it in parts. So let me do this by putting this like this. If you see here, I say humanize the document. So it's trying to rewrite. Mostly this part will be rewritten. So meanwhile, if you see, other tools have also given their outputs, so we will try to see. So it's saying I'm still in the learning how to answer this question. In the meanwhile, try Google search. So it's not mentioning about Indian elections, I guess. Let's ask one more time. Why is it shying away from mentioning about Indian elections? So let it write about Indian democracy and elections. It is not writing about it. So let's give it another task. So I will say write a 500 word article about Indian movie industry. Okay, so it is writing about it. Now you see this one has humanized it completely. If I have chosen various areas and humanized it, then it would have given more content. So now if I again rescan the document for AI, it will not show AI generated content. See, it's all human content. Now let's take the output from Cloud AI and just try to put it here and see if it can detect it. So just go to report. I'm going to say this and say analyze. Okay, so this also it is detected as AI related content, 98 out of 100, as you can see. So irrespective of the tool, it is detecting, which is good. Now let's take this about Indian cinema, something different. Now let's go and put this again here and see how it is comparing. So this is generated by Google's tool Gemini, lights, camera, action, masala. That also has been flagged as AI related content. So now a multitude of voices, Indian cinematic landscapes is a mosaic of regional powerhouses, Tamil cinema, Bollywood, Telugu. All these regional industries churn out hundreds of film annually, catering to local taste and traditions. These all paragraph exhibits clear signs of being written by AI. Now, if you want to humanize it, you can open it in open with AI eraser, and you can do that part by part, which is what is recommended, because you read that part and then look at the suggested paragraph for humanization, then humanize it. So here you can choose more human or less human like while doing that. So let this suggest the phrases here which can be used in this paragraph. Okay, so it has already come here, so I have used it. So this way you can convert various articles or reports which has been used by ChatGPT, where you have used ChatGPT, Cloud AI or Gemini to generate the output, and you can put that here and you can generate human-like content which cannot be detected by most of the AI tools out there in the market. So these are the tools that is available here. Now if you look at here, this is a pretty easy interface for you to use. If you go to account, you can get how many humanization is remaining. I have chosen the unlimited plan. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.